Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be doing my weekly cleaning routine. I did my daily cleaning routine already for y'all that I will link in the little tab up at the top. But yes, this is my weekly cleaning routine. This is what I do literally every single week. And by doing this, I don't really have a lot to clean and my house really never gets dirty. So if you are interested, make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And here we go. Okay, so as you saw previously, on Mondays I clean the main level. Now in my daily cleaning routine, you see that I do a whole bunch of different stuff every single day. I only do these things once a week. So I only deep clean my main level once a week, which is on Mondays. And that really just entails me going in a little bit further than just cleaning off the countertops. And I make sure to clean all the appliances. I make sure to clean all of the cabinets. And I actually just posted a video of how I deep clean my main level in detail in my last video, or the video before my last video. So I will make sure to link that up here in the tab as well. And yeah, so I just make sure to get every little crevice of the room and make sure that it is fresh. And it really only takes me, honestly only takes me about 15 to 20 minutes max to do the entire place, because I do clean it once a week. So I don't really have a lot to scrub. I just wipe it all down.
Already destroyed in the past. Have I lost sense of time? No rhyme and no rhythm, no way to go home, no way to bear with ya. But this can't be gone, we can end it all just like that. Baby, I know you know how to be a heartbreaker, but you don't know how love goes. Baby, I know you know how to be a heartbreaker, but you don't know how love goes. You and your magic touch, you and your soft whisper, it's taking me down. I'm seeing things clearer, but I can't hold on.
Alright, so on Tuesdays I clean the basement, and all I do is just wipe down the furniture, clean off the couch, vacuum, stuff like that. I don't wash the blankets every week. I don't feel the need to wash the blankets every week because they don't really get that dirty. So I will wash those every other week, or if they're really dirty, I'll throw them in whenever I feel like it. But yeah, I didn't show me cleaning the spare bedroom or the bathroom because my camera died. Surprise. So basically what I do for the spare bedroom is I just make the bed. Like, I don't change the sheets all the time because I don't have a lot of guests that come over, but if I do have guests, I'll change the sheets then. I don't feel like washing the sheets every single week because there's just no point. And then for the bathroom, I just clean it like normal. Nothing really special to it. And yeah, just wiping down all the furniture, making sure everything is organized and it smells fresh. And that's pretty much it.
You know how to be a heartbreaker, but you don't know how love goes.
So Wednesdays we do the master bathroom, and it says guest bathroom. I don't know if I should call it guest bathroom or Garrett's bathroom, but I clean the other bathroom upstairs. And basically I just do the exact same thing you would do for any bathroom. Wipe the counters down, appliances, sinks, mirrors, floor, toilets, bathtub, shower, whatever you can wipe down, wipe it down. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's in this video, but I just got my Norwex wipe or my cloth, and I am so in love with it. Oh my gosh, it has literally cut my cleaning time down in half because all I do is run it under hot water and I use that, and that's it. I mean, it's so easy. Oh my gosh, it's the easiest thing ever. Thank God for Norwex coming out with that. So I will be using that in my Thursday video. But anyway, as far as this goes, wiping it all down.
It's all I ever do. I'm coming back to you and I won't let go. Oh God, I miss you too. We got making up to do. I'm coming back to you and I won't let go again. Won't let go. And I won't let go again. Won't let go. And I won't let go again. I'm coming back to you and I won't let go.
Okay, so on Thursdays I clean Garrett's playroom and his room. And is there anybody else out there who can attest to the fact that your baby is obsessed with a Roomba? Because my child thinks it is the greatest thing in the entire world. So the first thing that I do every single day is I let him out and he goes straight for the Roomba. I mean, it's ridiculous. But anyway, I let the Roomba go every single day of the week. My poor Roomba does not even get a break on Christmas. Poor thing. But anyway, I don't have to worry about vacuuming, which is the only reason why I was talking about the Roomba. So I am using my EnviroCloth from my Norwex collection, and I am using the EnviroCloth to wipe down everything in Garrett's playroom, all of his toys, his cubbies, his TV stand, his table, like everything that can be wiped down gets wiped down. And I do this once a week consistently. I used to just use like a baby wipe, not a baby wipe, but a wet wipe to wipe everything down just to make sure everything was cleansed. But this EnviroCloth, I'm telling y'all, it's the bomb.com. It's awesome. And I am wiping everything down, making sure that everything is clean and it doesn't have baby slobber on it. And last but not least, on Fridays I clean the master bedroom, and I have done a deep cleaning video of this as well. I'm going to link that right up top. And I don't really do anything too spectacular. I just wipe all the furniture down like I always have been, and I make sure to wipe the ceiling fan down. Floors are already taken care of. I do change the sheets once a week, which I suck at this, but I did not film that either. But I do change the sheets once a week. That is one thing that I cannot stand, is to sleep on sheets that have been on the bed for more than a week. So I change the sheets, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I do. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, please make sure that you subscribe if you are new to my channel, and hit the bell, because once you hit that bell, you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.